Namaste. After coming to Akshi Yogashala, I experienced a lot of things. It was like excited moments and very good environment. I got a good environment over. For earlier, I didn't know what to do in my life, how to do yoga and everything. After coming over here, I experienced a lot of things, environment, and over here people are good. They give you good knowledge, and yeah, it changes your many things in your life. In alignments, we learned how to adjust our body, how to make good stable body in every posture, and we had practiced meditation also. After practicing meditation, I realized that our mind can become more good. Like in normal people, mind is not stable and balanced, but after doing meditation, I think mind is stable and balanced. It give you good energetic thing in your life. And over here, food is nice, ambience is good, people are good over here, people are very friendly, they understand and they make you understand whatever you are doing. If you're on a wrong path, they make you understand, they take you on a right path. Yoga class is good, the culture over here is also good, and yes, I really liked over here.